not film.
Cooked.
I was coming up the driveway, did a little two-step action. The R888s are pretty sticky today. And hopped, and then something went, and now the car won't move. Axles seem to be intact, so it's looking like we're taking the tranny out this bitch. Why you laughing so hard, bitch?
Cause you fucking broke this shit.
Let me see. Hold on.
GG diff.
Dude, the disc broke.
Alright, let's put the other transmission in. Take 30 minutes. It's right there.
30 minutes?
Or we can
You're not gonna buy some more expensive ass synchro mesh?
We can pull the diff out of that GSR trans.
Hey, it could.
And then you can just leave that one alone. That's just LS. So.
Yeah. Fuck. Alright guys, so as you've seen, car not doing too hot. I don't know why I do this to myself, but I do it to myself every time because I'm just trying to get to other shit. And then I have so much fun driving this shit that I finally got working, and then I fucking break it. So I'm gonna be cleaning up this LS trans today. I literally bought this. I was gonna make a whole video on just getting these two items right here. So B20v and you know, an LS transmission. Pretty much I was gonna make a video about buying the cheapest B20v and, you know, motor and trans on Facebook because I got it for 600 bucks, and then I was gonna resell it and then make some money off of it. I thought it'd be a cool video, but now I gotta use this transmission, so I guess everything happens for a reason. But we are gonna be a little bit slower in first and second gear. It is what it is. I'm gonna have to take this transmission out, put this one in, but first I gotta clean it, make sure everything's halfway decent with it, which I think it is, and then we'll take that apart one of these days, probably not this video, and figure out what the hell happened there. Pretty sure, obviously. I think I've literally done the same thing before. You get wheel hop, immediately fuck your trans, dude. Like, it's just too much shock for everything. So I had an LS trans back in the day on a LS B18, and I, you know, was doing some racing, got a little bit of wheel hop. That bitch left the chat, just like this one. I don't know, can't win. Shit's stock, and it's like 30 years old, so what are you gonna do? So yeah, this is what we're gonna be doing today. Hopefully it shouldn't take that long, but I definitely gotta go get more trans oil or synchro mesh or something, so at least hopefully I can get the transmission in tonight without having the oil, and then tomorrow I'll fill it and then we'll give it a test drive and shit. But your boy fucked himself. By the way, I was supposed to take this thing to a meet on Friday, which was pretty excited about because I finally get to drive my car and, you know, look at other builds and shit, and maybe take a couple trips to Mexico, you know. And now I gotta bust my ass. Like, you can't win. Can't ever win with these cars, but you can't really expect much more out of them. So, you know, just more disappointed, like a disappointed parent in this thing. Fucked. All right, so the old transmission is out. She's looking pretty clapped up, not gonna lie. And the new one's in, thanks to this man's help.
I didn't do anything.
You lifted it up?
I didn't do anything.
Yeah, okay. Bullshit. Well, we got it back in. So I just don't have any oil or nothing, so tonight this is not gonna be driving, but it is what it is. Tomorrow's a new day, right?
Auto parts store's probably open until 9, 27.
Fuck that shit.
Pussy.
Alright boys, so we got the transmission apart. Everything up here looks fine and dandy, kinda. We had that ball stuck in the, what is it, like a detent bolt?
Well, it's a, yeah.
Detent springs.
It's for the detent spring.
I think the spring's underneath that ball, but that shit smashed in there. I don't know how well you can see that. Oh, now you can definitely see it. Yeah, that shit smashed in. And then we got some guy poking out around here.
Yeah, you're good.
We also have a cracked bearing, probably from my dumbass slamming the cover on, but I'm not 100% sure if I would have noticed it when I had it apart or not. It probably was me. Not 100% sure. You're good. All right, guys, I think I might have overreacted. I don't really think this transmission was that fucked up. What? Uh-oh.
Where's that casing?
Aw, dude.
Nice. I wonder where that's at. I want to find
Yeah, that was just kind of hanging around. That's supposed to be in here.
Yeah. Oh, look at all the metal under the fucking...
I know, that's what I was
under
saying.
here.
I think it's good, though. I think we can throw it back in. It'll run.
Yeah, okay.
Man, this is like a catastrophic failure, dude. This is actually really bad. You got metal shavings down in there, right below that. No, okay, that's cool.
Nice.
Yeah, that shit's fucked up. Speed sensor looks good, though.
Yeah, good, because I need it.
Fuck.
Where's your magnet?
Right there.
What?
Right there. Let's see what we can fish out.
Everything's under this fucking rod.
I know. What you got? You got any gifts?
I only got this one piece.
You got gifts for me? That looks like a tooth, dude. Let's see. Yeah, that looks like a tooth off of something. There's another tooth. Dude, I did good on this one. Them RAAA's really hooked up.
Yeah, that's what it was. You're just a bad driver. You
Uh-huh.
load it up.
No, I just thought it was gonna start spinning instead of start hopping.
You need to watch the Ghost by Aki video and he tells you how to launch your car.
So, boys, as you can see, we made zero progress. Why is that, you say? Because I picked up this transmission and engine off Facebook Marketplace, like I stated, put this bitch in, filled it with brand new synchro mesh, all that good shit. Put it in, it's making some crazy ass fucking noises. Rattles, fucking shit slapping around in there. I'm like, the fuck is going on? You know what I do? You know what's got? No fucking fork gear. No fucking fork gear. Shit won't fucking work. So now we're back to square one. I've got car meet in like 2 hours that I wanted to go to. And you know what? Nobody's telling me fucking no, dude. I'm gonna get this bitch back in there. I don't even care. I'm not even gonna test it. I'm just gonna roll my ass the fuck out and hit this fucking car meet. It's me against me. And guess what? I ain't fucking losing today. I fucking had it this week. I fucking had it. We're making it. Trust. All right, boys. So we did end up making it to that car meet. It is a couple of weeks later. I haven't been lazy. Work's just been picking up crazy. So, you know, we haven't really been touching the car. It's filthy. But everything is now straightened out. What we're going to do is we're going to get a diff for my transmission. I'm going to clean it out really well. And we're going to throw that back into my car. And I'll figure out that LS transmission somewhere down the road if I need it. And pretty much that's going to be it for this video. Everything else on the car is pretty solid now. Besides, you know, trying to get this transmission together. But it's always one thing after another, especially when you drive like me. But I did not get any footage at the car meet, sadly. I was just kind of so tired from busting my ass getting one transmission in the night before, another transmission out, then another one back in. Pain in my ass, but we got it done. And I appreciate you guys clicking on the video and watching this far. And we will be back with some more B20v tech content soon. Very, very soon. Everybody have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.